Today we are going to learn about the BPL 6-channel ECG machine CardioArt 8108 View with inbuilt printer and a display monitor. The perspective of this learning is user manual. With this machine, the 6-channel ECG machine, we have the following accessories. Firstly, the power cable. Second, the 10 lead ECG patient cable. These are the clamps. Then we have the electrodes and the jelly. For this, we need to firstly understand the main perspective of the 6-channel ECG machine. Unlike the single channel and the 3-channel machine, this will show you a 6-channel graph. Starting with the installation of the machine, let me introduce you to all the ports of the machine. This is the PowerPoint port and this is the patient cable port, and the others are for the USB and the internet installation, which is not as much of use for the ECG manual usage. Now, starting up with the PowerPoint installation, when we plug this in and we press the power on menu, the screen is turned on and it takes about 15 to 20 seconds to get restarted. In the meanwhile, we'll get engaged with the role of the paper changing. This is the press button. When we press this block is opened and we can replace the paper if necessary. One thing this should be kept in mind, that this black spot on the paper should be always on the top when we are replacing or keeping the paper inside. This is folded in this manner and is kept inside. This black portion should always be on the top to ensure that the paper is in correct position. Now we take a close look at the screen. There are following functions on the screen. This point where auto is written shows the mode of the machine. There are 3 modes in this machine: the auto, the manual and the rhythm. We'll get in touch with all 3 modes later on in the phase. This portion shows you all the errors that are available on the machine at the present situation. Presently it would show you if there is insufficiency of paper, which is not. It would show you the lead if not connected, which it is showing. This portion will show you the heart rate and this will show you the time and the battery. Considering each portion of the screen, this portion where auto is written shows you the manual, auto or rhythmic mode of the machine. This machine, as stated, has 3 modes: auto, manual and rhythmic. This portion shows you the errors of the machine, whichever is presently in the machine. Right now it's showing lead of R, lead of F, C1, as none of the leads are connected presently. This portion shows you the heart rate. Since the leads are not connected, it won't show you any heart rate. This portion shows you the time and the battery backup, and this shows you the 3 leads which are available at the auto mode. The other 2 modes will be discussed in the later part of the section. The portion of the screens in the portion of the screen below shows you the patient, where the patient name can be edited. This shows you the gain of the ECG. Presently it is 10 and it is expected to be 10 normally. 10 is considered as the 2 blocks of the graph will be counted as 10. This shows you the speed of the paper, which is set at 25 millimeter per second and is expected to be perfect. This is the muscle filter, which is set at 35 Hz, which can be changed according to the age. With increasing age, this muscle filter is changed. Now the other parameters can be set with the help of these function keys: F1, F2, F3, F4 and F5. F1 is for the patient, F2 is for the gain, F3 is for the paper speed, F4 is for the frequency, muscle frequency, and F5 is for the next option. When we press F5, we go to the setup and the file. Starting with the clamps and the electrodes installation in the body of the patient. These clamps are for the arms, as can be seen, are comparatively smaller, and these clamps, which are comparatively larger, are for the foot. This clamp, this is the universal color black for the right foot. The electrode is plugged in this way, and the clamp with the help of jelly is put on the foot. Similarly, green is the color, universal color for the left foot. Yellow for the left arm. Red for the right arm. Now we come to the chest electrodes. The chest electrodes ranging from C1 to C6. C1 is red, C2 is yellow, C3 is green, C4 is brown, C5 is black, and C6 is violet. This is the way how the chest electrodes and the limb electrodes are set on the body. After setting the electrodes, now we set in the patient data. As told you earlier, the F1 key is for the patient entry here. We press F1. Then firstly we have patient ID. We can give any ID, 5, 6. Then we press tab. We go to the name section. We can enter any name. Say Amit. Then we again press tab. We come to age. Say 24. Then we again press tab. We come to the gender. It's already set to male. Then we press tab. We come on next. We then press tab. We press enter. We've already entered all the information of the patient. Now we want to print the information. We press start stop, which will give you the printout of the information. All the V1 to V6 leads are shown. This is why it is called a 6-channel ECG machine, and all the patient data and the interpretation are also given. The interpretation is an optional option which is given by this model of BPL 8108.